Hiya guys, True Preview here. Today I'll be discussing the anticipated release of the GoPro Hero 7. I'll be taking a closer look at some of the leaks, rumours and expectations currently circulating within the industry. It is well known that GoPro often release a new camera in and around September and October of each year. However, with the release of the GoPro Hero 2018 edition in April, critics were unsure whether we'd see the next generation of GoPro hit the markets in 2018. However, images leaked on the 1st of September 2018 show a store display from which 3 new GoPro models can be seen. I'll be discussing what we know about these cameras and what we can expect. As can be seen from the leaked photographs, we know that there will be 3 cameras released: the GoPro Hero 7 White Edition, Silver Edition and Black Edition. As shown, the White and Silver Edition do not have a display on the front of the camera, whereas the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition does have a forward-facing display screen. Much like the GoPro's previous models, we can expect that the White Edition will be the budget model, the Silver Edition will be the intermediate model, and the Black Edition will be the most advanced model and the most expensive out of the 3. Other than this, we can be sure of very little. As shown on the photographs, we can expect that the Hero Black Edition will be capable of capturing 4K at 60 frames per second, as indicated on the display screen. However, this was anticipated by most critics due to the current specifications of the GoPro Hero 6. It is hard to say what is expected of the 3 cameras due to the vast array of rumours that are currently circulating. After some evaluation, I have summarised what is expected from each of the new models. Please note that these specifications are only predictions based on the current available information. When considering the specifications of the current GoPro Hero 6, I would be disappointed if the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition didn't offer 4K recording at 90 or 120 frames per second, or the option to record in a higher resolution such as 5K. If there isn't this increase in capability, I feel that few people will upgrade if they already have a GoPro Hero 5 or 6. This being said, it's not all about the frame rate and resolution. Critics expect that the 3 models of the GoPro Hero 7 will have an improved gimbal-like stabilisation, and that all cameras will have a greater dynamic range and potentially a GP2 chip. But this is all speculation and won't be known until the full specifications are released. It has been confirmed that GoPro have a stand in Photokina, a large photography exhibition held in Germany at the end of September. I believe that GoPro will announce their new cameras at this exhibition and that the cameras will be available to purchase within the following days. I'm a big fan of GoPro action cameras, but have been disappointed with the last couple of releases, so I have high expectations for the GoPro Hero 7. Watch this space as I'll be reviewing the latest GoPro as and when it's released. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more of the latest technology.